Alright folks, welcome back to another video. So this video is about a camera giveaway. Alright, so one of you lucky subscribers out there who's watching this video can win one of them camera. Alright, so this here is my arsenal of cameras that I use whether I'm vlogging or swimming or doing some type of excursions or flying the drone, whatever the case may be. Alright, so but before I get into the camera giveaway, I'm just gonna talk about the cameras that I use, because some people on YouTube been asking me like, what camera do you use? Your video qualities are awesome. I love how they look and so forth. Alright, so I'm just gonna go over each cameras and then we get into the giveaway. Alright, a little disclaimer, I am not a professional photographer, so anything we talk about is self-taught. Alright, and big up to our new subscriber. And like I said, since I posted that video of the house in Jamaica, the subscribers them just take off like here Jamaica. I'm gonna think it'll land no time soon. Alright, so big up to our new subscribers them to the channel. So let's get into the cameras before we get to the giveaway. Alright, by the way, this video is being recorded by a Nikon D3200 with a Rode mic on top. Alright, the D3200 was my first DSLR. I can never say that. DSLR, yeah, was my first DSLR camera. Alright, and next we have the Nikon D3400. So we have the D3200 and we have the upgrade, which is a D3400, and this is a D3400. I take a lot of pictures with this one, and whenever I'm shooting, I shoot in RAW, because whenever you shoot in RAW, it's easier to recover your pictures if it's underexposed or overexposed. You never know, so I always shoot in RAW and then edit the pictures in like Lightroom or Adobe Photoshop, so forth. So this has a 18 to 55 lens on it, and then another lens that I love to shoot with it is the 70 to 300. Alright, two of my favorite lenses. Next we have the GoPro Hero 4. This was my second GoPro Hero 4 that I've ever purchased. It's not waterproof, so if I'm using it in the water, I have to put it in a waterproof housing. I'm gonna throw up some video of the GoPro Hero 4. You can see the quality. Alright. Next we have two GoPro Hero 5. These ones are waterproof, and I love the quality of these ones. You get me? I'm gonna throw up some footage of the GoPro Hero 5 as well for this one. Alright. Next we have the latest GoPro that I purchased. This is a GoPro Hero 9. So we have the 4, we have 2, 5, and we have a 9. This is the latest one I purchased, and I so love this one. It's my favorite GoPro so far. Alright. Next we have a mirrorless camera, my favorite of them all to take pictures. Sony A6000. And it's a mirrorless camera because, you guessed correctly, it does not have a mirror. So whenever you go snap and you take a picture, the light goes straight through the lens to the sensor and then it's processed. Unlike DSLR cameras that have a mirror, when you take the picture, it goes through the lens and bounces off the mirror, and then the picture is processed on the back of the display screen. So like I said, this is a mirrorless camera, and I think it's my favorite so far. My favorite one when it comes to take pictures. I'm going to throw up some pictures on the screen of this one. And again, whenever I use this one, I shoot in RAW. And it has a 16 to 50 lens on it right now. And then another lens that I love to shoot with it is the 18 to 135 lens. Alright, so that's the A6000. Next we have this camera here, Nikon Coolpix. I've had this for a very long time. Waterproof, dirt proof, dust proof, tornado proof, hurricane proof, you name it, any type of proof, it's good. I think it's waterproof up to 6.6 feet or 2 meters. No, waterproof, no, it's shock proof up to 2 meters and 6.6 feet, but it's waterproof up to 18 meters or 59 feet. I've had this one a while. I don't use it anymore. I'm gonna see if I can find some footage of this one swimming and throw it up on the screen. So this is a Nikon Coolpix. Alright. Next we have the DJI Spark. So of course this is a drone. Whenever I'm vlogging or out shooting, I throw up the drone, get some aerial shots. So I'm gonna throw up some videos and pictures of the drone. Alright, I love this drone. It's nice and compact, so whenever I'm traveling, just store it in my backpack. Alright. Next we have my favorite vlog camera that I've gotten so far. This is the Canon G7X. So if you have been watching my recent vlogs, this is what I've been vlogging with. If I'm not vlogging with the GoPro Hero 9, I'm vlogging with the G7X. And I think this is the one that, you know, people have been asking me like, hey, the quality of the video is amazing. You know, what cameras do you use? I think they see the quality from this one. So this is the Canon G7X. This is my main vlog camera, and it has a flip screen. You know, so when you're vlogging, you can see yourself and see what you're zooming in on or whatever the case is. So this is a Canon G7X. I love it, love it, love it. My favorite vlog camera so far. Alright. Next we have this Canon SX730. And this is the camera that I'll be giving away today. So before I got the G7X, this was the camera I was vlogging with. So the quality on this one is amazing too, you know, man. Love it. It's a flip screen as well. So if you are someone out there who's into vlogging or is just starting your channel, this is a great beginner camera. The quality is amazing. And if you watch any of my prior videos before I went to Jamaica recently, I was shooting with this one, Canon SX730. Right now, I think used it might be about $180. New it's around $299. So it's in great condition, and this is the one I'm going to be giving away along with one battery and one charger. Alright, so if you're out there starting up your vlog channel or you need something better than the camera that you're using, this one is a great camera, Canon SX730. I'm sure you're gonna miss it because, you know, yeah. Alright, so how can you win the Canon SX730 with one battery and one charger? Alright, first thing first, you have to like this video. So go ahead and like the video right now. You like the video yet? I bet you don't like. You just watch the video same way. Alright, go ahead and like this video right now. Just go and like just like it, give it a thumbs up. Cause you have to like this video to be able to win the camera. So go ahead now. Click. I'm waiting. Click. Boy, you know, easy, you know. You still don't like the video, but it's alright. Let me see who liked the video. So 1, you have to like this video. 2, you have to subscribe to my channel. And 3, I'm gonna ask a few questions and you have to answer the questions correctly in the comment of this video. Not another video, but in this video. Alright, so 1, like this video that you're watching. 2, subscribe to the channel, and 3, you have to answer these questions that I'm going to ask. Alright, you might have to watch a few videos to get the answers. Alright, so let's go through these questions. Alright, question number 1. In what video did Ren said, guess what Tino has all over him, and what was it? Alright, question number 1 again. In what video did Ren said, guess what Tino has all over him, and what was it? Alright. Question number 2. In one of the videos we went to Rosal Great House. Yeah, we went to Rosal Great House. Right, but the video is not titled Rosal Great House, so you're gonna have to watch a specific video to get the answer. So we went to Rosal Great House. And here's question number 2. Where are the individuals who are currently taking care of the plantation from? Alright, so if you watch a specific video, in it there are individuals who are taking care of the plantation but they live somewhere else. So where are the individuals who are currently taking care of the plantation from? That's question number 2. Question number 3. In one of the rafting videos, which I only have 2 rafting videos, so that narrowed down your choice. In one of the rafting videos, the rafter had a proverb: good things, finish it. Again, in one of the rafting videos, the rafter had a proverb: good things. Alright, So the first person to like this video that you're watching, subscribe to my channel and answer these 3 questions is going to win a Canon SX730 with 1 battery and 1 charger. And like I said, if you're starting up a YouTube channel, this is a great camera to start vlogging with. Alright, so the first person to answer those correctly in the description, in the comment section of this video, along with liking this video and subscribing to my channel, is going to win this camera. Alright, so don't worry about it. I'll get it out to you wherever you are, whether you're in Jamaica, England, Paris, Australia. I'm gonna get it out to you. Alright, so that is it, folks. This is my arsenal of video. This is my arsenal of cameras that I use. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and like always, thank you for my new subscribers. Thank you to everyone who liked the video them. And if you're new to the channel and you're watching it and you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. Alright, until next time, you don't know. Peace.